Crash Course on Jamaica, Culture and Music. Welcome to a crash course on Jamaican culture, where we'll immerse ourselves in the vibrant music scene and explore the influence of legendary artists like Bob Marley. Get ready to be captivated by the rhythms of reggae, dancehall, and ska as we delve into the rich cultural heritage of Jamaica. Let's begin by sharing some interesting stories and examples before exploring the top 12 attractions that showcase the culture and music of this extraordinary nation. Culture and music. Jamaica's culture is a tapestry woven from the threads of various influences, including African, European, and indigenous traditions. Music is a cornerstone of Jamaican culture, serving as a means of expression, social commentary, and celebration. Here are some intriguing stories and examples. 1. Bob Marley's legacy. Bob Marley, the undisputed king of reggae, brought Jamaica's music and messages of unity, love, and social justice to the world stage. His timeless classics like One Love and No Woman, No Cry continue to inspire and resonate with audiences worldwide. 2. Dancehall evolution. Dancehall music, characterized by its energetic beats and catchy lyrics, has emerged as a prominent genre within Jamaican music. Artists like Shabba Ranks, Buju Banton, and Sean Paul have propelled dancehall into the global spotlight, creating infectious rhythms that make you move. 3. Ska's roots. Ska, the precursor to reggae, emerged in the 1960s and became a symbol of Jamaican independence. Artists such as the Skatalites and Prince Buster played a crucial role in popularizing ska's infectious sound, blending Caribbean rhythms with elements of jazz and R&B. Top 12 attractions of culture and music in Jamaica. 1. Bob Marley Museum, Kingston. Immerse yourself in the life and music of Bob Marley at his former home, now transformed into a museum celebrating his legacy. 2. Trench Town, Kingston. Visit the birthplace of reggae and immerse yourself in the vibrant community that nurtured Bob Marley and other musical legends. 3. Peter Tosh Museum, Kingston. Pay homage to Peter Tosh, a founding member of the Wailers, and explore the exhibits dedicated to his influential career. 4. National Gallery of Jamaica, Kingston. Discover the visual arts of Jamaica, showcasing works that reflect the country's cultural expressions and creative spirit. 5. Reggae Sumfest, Montego Bay. Experience one of the world's premier reggae festivals, featuring performances by local and international artists. 6. Kingston Dub Club, Kingston. Immerse yourself in the pulsating beats of reggae and dub music at this iconic outdoor venue overlooking the city. 7. Reggae Falls, St. Thomas. Take a refreshing dip in the natural pool beneath a waterfall while enjoying the sounds of reggae playing in the background. 8. Dennis Brown's birthplace, Kingston. Visit the childhood home of the Crown Prince of Reggae, Dennis Brown, and pay tribute to his enduring musical legacy. 9. Dancehall Street Dance, Kingston. Experience the vibrant energy of a street dance in Kingston, where dancehall music fills the air and dancers showcase their skills. 10. Alpha Boys School, Kingston. Discover the historic institution that has nurtured many talented musicians, including influential ska and jazz artists. 11. Jamaican Music Museum, Kingston. Dive into the history of Jamaican music, exploring its roots, genres, and the impact it has had on global culture. 12. Marcus Garvey Cultural Center, Street Anne. Learn about the life and teachings of Marcus Garvey, a Jamaican-born leader who advocated for Black empowerment and cultural pride. In summary, Jamaica's culture and music are inseparable, fueling the island's vibrant spirit and global influence. From the iconic legacy of Bob Marley to the pulsating rhythms of reggae and dancehall, Jamaica's cultural heritage is a celebration of resilience, joy, and artistic expression. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's pay tribute to Jamaica's culture and music with a poem. In Jamaica's rhythm, the soul finds its beat, where reggae melodies and dancehall heat. Bob Marley's spirit, a guiding light, igniting hearts, spreading love's delight. Trench Town streets, a musical cradle, nurturing talents, where legends are made. Ska's jubilant dance, a joyful blend. Caribbean rhythms, jazz notes ascend. Reggae Sumfest stage, a vibrant scene, where voices unite, hearts pure and keen. Kingston's Dub Club, an open-air retreat, underneath the stars, where rhythms meet. Reggae Falls Cascade, nature's symphony, a tranquil escape, where spirits roam free. Dennis Brown's birthplace, a hallowed ground, where reggae's prince forever will resound. Street dances ignite, bodies intertwine. In Kingston's embrace, the beats intertwine. Alpha Boys School, a nurturing space, cultivating talents with love and grace. Jamaican Music Museum, a treasure trove, unveiling the story of melodies that drove. Marcus Garvey's legacy, a guiding force, empowering minds, igniting a powerful course. In Jamaica's culture, a vibrant array, where music and spirit forever sway. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.